and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This week I'm going to be showing you the process of unpacking my stuff and moving into my university room, and I'll be giving you a little bit of a room tour as well. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the outro. So I got a bedding pack delivered to my university before I got here. So it comes with like my duvet and pillows, and it comes with like a bunch of cutlery, pots and pans, just a whole bunch of things. So I'm gonna start by doing my bed. This is so wrinkly. Okay, I miss my mom. Right now she would iron this for me. I'm not gonna iron this. Anyway, I'm not good at making beds, but here's the finished product. Okay, so now I'm gonna sort out this corkboard situation and do some desk organization. So here's the door as you enter my room, and then here is the view of my room when you come in. So here I've got a few hooks that are holding on to my bath gown and my raincoat and all that stuff. Then here I have my desk. Here's just a little overview, and I'll go into everything now. So here's a lamp that was provided by the university. A telephone that was also provided by them. I have my little doorstop, which I really recommend in uni. I have a potted plant that I got from the poster and plant sale. I have this lovely little lavender holder that I brought from home. Don't even know why I carried sunglasses because I have not used them since being here. Then I've got a little picture of myself. Then here I've got a little decor item, which says less talk, more tequila. What a mood. And basically what I did with that is I went to Typo, got one of the books, took off the cover of the book, cut it and put it into a frame, and so it's like super affordable. The frame was really affordable as well, so I carried that from home. Then here I've got my face mirror. Hi there. And this is from a Wilco, I believe, and it lights up and everything, so this is what I used to do my makeup. Then over here I've got some mugs, and then here I have some more school supplies and I have protein bars, which are much needed, and I got these from home. So yeah, and then I have a bunch of books. Then up here I have my wall. I put up fairy lights and just pictures of my family and my friends, so shout out to my friends if you can see yourselves. Then over here, hi again, I've got my wash basin and a lovely sized mirror. So I've just got like washing up liquid, and this I got from home, and I just put my toothpaste and toothbrush there. Then over here we have my end table. So here's another potted plant. It's Lucky Bamboo, which is slowly dying because I'm a university student and I forget to water it, my bad. But then here is my light up lamp that I got from Primark, which I love because you just click and it lights up. Then I've got my bed over here, and I carried this fleece blanket from home, and I also carried this pillow from home. I carried a lot of items from home because I wanted to feel like I was at home in university and not feel like I was in another space. So yeah, I'd really recommend doing that. Then up here on this shelf, I keep all my kitchen stuff in my room, which is not what people usually do, but for me it was a must because I'm just not that good at sharing, and it's much easier for me to have my stuff up here. So I've got nail products here at the back. I've got my jewelry box, which I also carried from home. More hooks that were here when I arrived, and I've just used them to hang my bags. Then in this corner, I keep my suitcases because they're way too big to fit under my bed. Then here I have my teeny tiny little closet. Yeah, I thought I wasn't gonna be able to fit a lot of my clothes in here, but turns out I was. So yeah, throwback to me gasping when I opened. Oh Lord. Oh my god. But yeah, so this is everything, and I've just got more clothes down there, and I've just got shoes down there. And then up here I just used this. This was £5 at Primark, so I just used this to put in all my winter type things like scarves and gloves. And I used the same one up here for my whisks, spatulas, and all that other stuff. So yeah, that was super affordable and super cute. And so yeah. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. See you next week. Bye!